Okay, you guys, so this particular vase came from Home Goods. I purchased it during the summer. It was $3.99, and I knew I was going to use it, so I purchased it, and I just stored it away until the perfect timing, which is now for the springtime. So I have this particular ribbon left over from a previous DIY, and I'm going to make a basket out of this to go with my Easter bunny, that my Glam bunny. So basically all I'm going to do is just glue the ends of the ribbon to the inner side of the basket. Turn my basket sideways, and I'm just gonna dab some glue in here because I want to be able to use my jar for other things. And then I'm just going to take my ribbon and just place it on top of, you guys can't see that, my bad. I'm just going to place it on top of the glue, and I'm just going to hold it here for about a minute or so that it can dry. Then I'm just going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side of the bowl. Okay guys, so I had to rethink the process because the hot glue will not stick on the inner portion of the glass, and I didn't want to do E6000 because I want to use my bowl for something else besides the springtime. So anyway, I stuck it on the outside and it's sticking really well, and I can just pull it off. I did a little test where I can pull it off without pulling my my decor off of the jar. So anyway, here's my basket. Now let me show you how I would style it with my bunny.